Well, hello everyone. This is Dennis Rodriguez with uskoipunch.com, and today I decided to make a how-to video because I couldn't find anywhere online how to replace the stainless steel blade on this Milwaukee PVC shear. And we've had this tool for a little less than a year, and I'm already replacing the blade because I mean this is our workhorse. This is a tool that we use daily. I mean, this is awesome. For those of you who have never seen it, basically it's a Milwaukee tool, cordless, and it can cut PVC pipe up to 2 inches. There you go. It opens. So up to 2 inches, which is normally what we use when we build ponds, anywhere from ½ inch all the way to 2 inch. It'll cut it. It's a nice clean cut. You can watch many videos online on this tool. Again, it's the Milwaukee PVC shear, but nowhere I can find how to replace the blade. So I bought the, of course, Milwaukee blade, part number, you got it right there. It's 48440405. And I was gonna start messing around, removing these torque screws, but then decided, there's a really big nut there. Let me see what happens when I take that off. And I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. It's an Allen, I think it's 5 millimeters. So, I already loosened it because I'm using just one hand. But basically, you unscrew this, take the bolt out, put it aside, and then there's like a big, looks like a big washer there. I just took some pliers and pry it out, or you can just turn them. Let me see. There you go. But basically, this is what holds the blade. You see, it has those little things, I don't know what to call them, but it's so easy. I mean, Milwaukee did a great job designing this thing because it can be easier. So that's the old one, and you can see it's bent. Some people say that will last over a year, but I don't know. The use that we're giving this thing, I'm not complaining. I mean, this has saved us at least hundreds of hours at a job site without having to cut the pipe, deburr it, clean it, and all. It's just so quick. So I'm more than happy, to have a new blade, because I'm starting a new job tomorrow where we're gonna be cutting a lot of 2-inch PVC, and I wanna make sure we have a fresh new blade. So this is it. So it's as simple as sliding it there, aligning it with those holes, then take your washer, or whatever this thing is called, put it in there, and tighten the bolt again. And I noticed there's some Loctite on this bolt. I'll probably Loctite it later, but for this video, I'm just want to show you the quick, easy, simple replacement of the blade. So there you go. I'm gonna tighten this again with one hand. That is kind of hard, but you get the idea. And there you go. You got brand new blade, ready for action. Again, Dennis, uskoipunch.com, showing you how to replace the blade on a Milwaukee PVC shear. Thanks, everyone.